What type of data cabinet do you need to protect your critical assets in an extreme, harsh environment like warehouse, distribution centers, and manufacturing plants? You would need a NEMA-12 cabinet that is completely sealed against the elements. And a couple of concerns that you might have with a sealed cabinet is airflow or cooling for your data assets and equipment. We have a standard fan and filter kit that is NEMA-rated. So you can add this if the ambient air is cool in your facility to be able to bring in cold air, filtered, and cool your equipment. Another option that you might need is active airflow. So you can use an air conditioner by adding the AC to this removable side panel. A standard feature on the NEMA-12 cabinet is a defeater handle. This handle is keyed for security, but it can also accept a padlock for additional security. Standard on the NEMA-12 cabinet on the front and rear doors is a plunger switch utilized to turn off the AC when the door is open. You would want the AC to turn off so you can eliminate any chance of condensation in the cabinet while the door is open. Another thing that you will need is a completely sealed cabinet. And the way that we do this is with a handle that has a compression latch. If I open this, you can see that I have a 3-point latching system with rectangular tubing for strength with a roller system. This will help ensure that the door is closed and completely sealed. The thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that the gasket is compressed, and Great Lakes uses a form-in-place gasket all the way around the doors and side panels to make sure this is completely sealed against dust, debris, moisture, oil, or any other harsh contaminant that might be in your environment. One way that you can configure this on the website is by cooling. So we have multiple options that you can click and select for your different heat loads or BTU options. You can do this with the active air, or you can actually do it with the CFM, bringing in ambient air into the cabinet with the fan and filter system. Also, standard sizes in stock with the NEMA-12 cabinet. You can select 84 inches, either 24 or 30 inches wide. Standard depth in stock is 42 inches. As with any data cabinet, some of the options that you may be concerned with are cable management. So in the NEMA-12 cabinet, you have options with a flexible mounting profile to add rings, toolless rings, fingers, 4-inch finger or 7-inch finger, and these can be mounted to the flexible mounting holes that are on the outside of the EIA pattern. Another way that you can configure the cabinet is with the adjustable rails. These can be preset at the factory to your specification. These rails, either cage nut or 1032 tap. These rails are an infinite adjustment that can be done very easily in the field before you rack and stack your equipment. Here on the NEMA-12 cabinet, we're looking at the rear door. You will notice that we do have a filter kit at the top of the door. This helps exhaust the hot air away from your equipment. Also, as far as the feature, you may be concerned with any cable management in the rear of the cabinet, as well as PDU mounting. The cabinet comes with standard lacing bars that can accept Velcro ties or toolless rings. And on this side of the cabinet, you see that we have a vertical PDU mounted. This is done with button-style mounting holes that will accept any vertical PDU.